Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the Com.example package and preparing to change it. Open Android Studio, switch to Project View, and expand app/src/main/java to expose package folders. Once done, create a backup or commit a VCS snapshot so you can revert if needed. Make sure you also open Android Manifest, XML, and Build. Gradle to see occurrences of Com.example. You're taking control here. These early checks prevent missing references later and keep the project buildable while you proceed. Now perform the actual refactor. Right-click the Com.example package in the project pane, select Refactor, then Rename, and opt to rename the package, not just folder. Enter the new domain style name and allow Android Studio to search and replace occurrences across the project. Once refactoring completes, run a Gradle sync to apply changes, then inspect imports, manifest entries, and resource references. Fix any unresolved symbols by importing or adjusting paths. This preserves code links and prevents runtime manifest mismatches. Finish by rebuilding and testing the app to ensure the new package is fully integrated. Install on an emulator or device and confirm the app's package identifier matches expectations. Then verify external services like Firebase or Play Console use the updated name. If you encounter build or runtime failures, revert to your backup or VCS commit, inspect the refactor preview for missed files, and repeat the rename while addressing each unresolved import or manifest entry. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.